I hope you all are keeping fine. So today we are going to begin a new chapter in your Value Education book, chapter 7, The Formless of Mind. Now before starting this chapter, first of all, let's see the difficult words from this chapter. So, formless. What do you mean by formless? And what do you understand by the word formless? Formless means hardness. Okay, next one. Consecutive means successive. Next, attempts means make an effort to achieve. That means make an effort to achieve something. You try your best to achieve your goal. Next, determination. Determination means having made a firm decision. That means when you make a decision, once you have made a decision to do something, you cannot change. So you have to make a sticking firmly decision so that next time you are not able to change the decision time and time again. So before starting this chapter, first of all, let's see briefly the summary of this chapter. First of all, let's understand what the formless of mind want to tell us. So, determination means taking a firm decision to do something. Means you have taken a firm decision to do something and you are not going to change it again. Remember that. So, it means sticking firmly to a decision and then trying again and again to achieve your goal. So that means not changing your decision, but once you have taken decision and you will keep on trying and trying again to achieve the goal. A determined person focus on a single mind. That means when he has taken decision, he focus on that decision only. He is not going to change again and again. He does not changes his or her decision on seeing the problems. In fact, he fights with the problem to solve them to achieve his goal. That means once he has taken decision, he is not going to change time and time again. But he fights with the problem. Remember, he fights with the problem and solves the problem to achieve his goal. Next, when you turn the pages of history, okay, when you turn the pages of history, you find many people who were really determined towards their goals. Okay, for example, let's see the great Maharana Pratap. The great Maharana Pratap. He kept on attacking the Mughals and finally regained a major portion of his kingdom. He kept on, remember, he kept on trying to attack the Mughals and finally he regained a major portion of his kingdom. So dear students, I am going to tell you through this lesson to try that goal only. So take only one decision, and in that decision you have to be very strictly firm. Okay. So dear students, I would like to give you some tips to make a decision in your life. So let's ponder and practice. So remember, you should always be fully aware that your success depends on your efforts. Remember, your success depends on your efforts. And secondly, approach. Remember, efforts and approach. It is never easy. Okay, it is never easy. It is always very hard to reach to that goal. And to reach that goal, it requires continuous efforts for a long time. It requires continuous efforts for a long time. It requires a determined approach. It requires a determined approach. It also requires clear thinking and effective decision making. Remember, it requires clear thinking, okay, and effective decision making. It requires right decision at the right time. It requires right decision at the right time. So try to improve your decision making. Remember, always ponder and practice. Determination is a source of energy. Remember children, determination is a source of energy. It makes you work hard to achieve your goal. That means when you work hard, you will achieve your goal very clearly. Always stick firmly to your decision. Remember, not to change again and again seeing the situation or seeing the problems, but always stick firmly to your decision. Try and try hard. Try and try hard till you succeed. Remember, try and try hard till you succeed, but never give up. I hope